In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Salesforce developer account. Whether you're starting a new project, exploring Salesforce, or stepping into the world of customer relationship management, having an account is a crucial first step. Let's walk through this process together. First, you'll want to navigate to the signup page. Head over to developer.salesforce.com/signup. This is the starting point where you can access a free trial or a developer account. Setting up a developer account is a fantastic way to explore Salesforce's capabilities in depth, as it gives you free access to a wide range of tools and resources. Once on the sign-up page, it's time to provide your information. Here, you'll need to fill out the registration form with some personal details. This includes your first name, last name, a work email, and some information about the company you're associated with. Make sure to fill these fields accurately, as it helps tailor your experience. Now, it's important to create a unique username. This is often your email address, but you can choose a custom one if you prefer. Just ensure that it's something memorable and unique. Your username will be your identifier in the Salesforce ecosystem, so pick something that you'll remember. At this point, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure to read them over before checking the box to agree to the main services agreement. This step is crucial as it sets the legal basis for your use of Salesforce services. Understand what you're agreeing to, as this is a binding agreement. After you've filled out all the necessary information and agree to the terms, click the button to start your free trial or complete the sign-up process for your account. This will trigger a verification step to ensure the security of your new account. Salesforce will send a verification email to the address you provided in the registration form. Check your inbox for this email, as it contains an activation link. If you don't see it immediately, be sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case it was filtered there. Click the activation link in the email to proceed with setting up your account. Next, you'll be directed to a page where you can set your password. When setting your password, make sure it meets Salesforce's security requirements. This typically means including a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. The goal is to create a strong password to keep your account secure. After setting your password, you're ready to log into your new Salesforce account. Simply return to the login page and enter your credentials. From here, you're free to explore all that Salesforce has to offer. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Salesforce developer account. Enjoy discovering the world of possibilities with Salesforce's powerful tools and resources. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.